Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to rename a file in computer. Friends, you can do this by three different methods. In first method, you need to select the file and press F2 on your keyboard and type the new name. In second method, you need to select the file and right click on it. Now here you will find option of rename and now you can type the new name. In third method, you need to long click on file and type new name. So friends, like this you can very easily rename your file name. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.